other teams.
Right. And once again, yun na nga eh, yung quarterfinals napaka-easy eh.
Yes.
So wala kang time para yung matalo to recover yung
King Balser nandun na sa kaso.
As much as possible, gusto mong makulik lahat ng panalo para maging safe ka ba going into the semifinals.
Well, ito pong UST, still, this is actually their first match in the quarterfinals. So 1-0 ang kanilang record. Titignan natin dito all important yung points. Ateneo with 4 points across their name already. 3 points because they brought in a 1-0 record. At yung 1 point na nakuha nila in that 5-set loss to Davao.
Tama.
UST ngayon, 3-0 ang kanilang record. Now, if UST wins against Ateneo in less than 5 sets, 6 points na sila. If UST wins against Ateneo in 5 sets, magiging 5 points yung kanilang kartada, which will also tie them with Ateneo because Ateneo will get 1 point.
Yan na magiging importante in the end, diba?
Yes.
Dahil sabi nga natin, ang dami pa pwede mangyari.
Yes.
Yung mix-up, talagang pwede pa dun sa huli. But let's see, it will start from this game.
Well, Ateneo playing without a libero today. Mamaya-maya po, kukunan natin si Denise Denden Lazaro, who is here as Laure overshoots. First point belongs to Ateneo. Denden Lazaro is here in her walking boot. Kasi sinasabi nga niya kanina, kunan niyo ako mamaya. Kita niyo lumilipad-lipad na ako dito kasi may racket daw yung kanyang walking boot. So we will take a shot of that later. Of course, Denden Lazaro is here. Ateneo men's coach Oliver Almagro is also here.
Oh, yes. Alam mo, si coach, napakamatulungin yan eh.
Right.
Talagang
Laure gets the point out of the hands of Morado.
alam mo yung match-up rin, of course, ni Laure at ni Eliza Valdez. Inaabangan din yan. Kasi sinasabi nga nila si EJ parang sumusunod pa sa yapak ni Eliza.
May isa pang kapatid yan si EJ, ha? Setter naman. So watch out, of course, for the Laure sisters. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Siyempre, si Eliza, gusto niya sabihin, ako muna ngayon, ha?
Eliza, sinubukan daanin sa lakas against Mela Tunay. Here is Laure on the push.
And she gets the point, and a smart move there because it was really close to the net already.
16 years old. Eto si EJ Laure. And she has already scored the first 2 points para sa UST. Very close to hitting the net also sa kanyang pagpreno. Rhea Di Maculangan now serving. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Not a good reception there from Jack Iliana. Eliza into the net. 3-1 UST.
Alam mo, partner, itong UST, nagkaroon pa ito ng scare kahapon, ha? Dahil itong si Mela Tunay at si Pam Lastimosa, nandun pa sa Boracay.
ang kanilang aeroplano.
Nag-photo finish lang yata. Kagabi naman yata.
Nag-tweet pa si Mela Tunay, please, Lord, sa airport na kami. And they made it actually. And again, lumaban po si Mela Tunay at si Pam Lastimosa sa isang beach volleyball competition sa Boracay. Here's the setup now. Laure again!
And that was through the blockers of Ateneo. You have Amy and Morado.
EJ Laure has scored 3 of the first 4 points of UST. At may kita natin, the proud father, Eddie Laure. At si Mami nagdasal pagkatabi.
Si Joby nagdadasal. Parang ako lang to,
And si Eddie.
Nakikita ko yung tsura ko sa kanya. Ganyan lang eh. Hindi makareact.
Alam mo, Eddie is a friend from way back at nag-uusap na kami isang araw. He's very proud and very happy about the reception ng kanyang anak. Una si Eddie was very, kinakabahan pa siya.
Siyempre.
Tatanggapin si EJ sa big league.
Let her game speak for herself.
Exactly.
As Amy Ahomiro also getting that last point. Ito na yung mean serve ni Amy.
And here, of course, is the serve Lion Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, power partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine made. Morado across, Valdez, turns back by Meneses.
And that was a solid block from Meneses and was that Carmela Tunay. Let's take a look at that once again.
Pahaba ng galamay, Rhea Meneses.
Yep.
And the pin on that one of Eliza Valdez, who is still scoreless. EJ Laure. Morenta gets to it. Sa likod, Yakiliana. Quick set. Meneses, blocked by Valdez. Lastimosa. Morado, sinubo kay Meneses.
And Morado with a glance after that swipe.
Alam mo, gusto mo kay Gia Morado.
I know,
She's
I like
already-
his game, ha?
Oh, si Morado is also learning to be fierce.
Yep.
Yun ang maganda dito.
And, yung emotion starting to, you feel it eh. Di ba? Nakikita mo na lumalabas
At saka,
siya eh,
isa pa,
starting to come out.
Hindi na nalaman ng marami na Gia Morado was actually a basketball player before she became a volleyball player. So ang dami ng basketball skills na dinadala rito sa ating volleyball match. Di makulangan on the backset now. Mela Tunay! And Eliza did not keep it inside.
Sayang kasi dun sa kabila, nung unang try, si Morente na-block na yung palo ng USC, pero dun naman sa kabila, look at that. Off the block point for Carmela Tunay.
6-3 UST, first set. Meneses. There's Morado now, going the other way. Morante with the drop.
What a smart move off the hit from Morente. At kitang-kita niya eh. Kung saan niya ilalagay yung bola.
At tinig din natin kung sino yung magsiserve para sa Ateneo. There's the captain. Strong serve from Eliza.
Adrenaline rush there.
7-4 UST. Mela Tunay.
At nasa quarterfinals pa lang ho tayo,
Yun na
mga
nga eh.
kaibigan.
Sa punong-puno na ito San Juan Arena. Mela Tunay. Parang hindi nag-beach volleyball ito si Mela. Hindi nagbago kulay eh, no? Morado now, sending it to Gakiliana. That never crossed, and that point will go to UST. Good start for the Tigresses. They are up.
Pagkonting ako, pag sobrang ingay, I asked her kung nagkakarinigan pa ba sila. Sabi niya, minsan kapag hindi na naririnig nila ang isa't isa, nagtitinginan lang sila at alam na nila kung anong gagawin. Kasi you guys,
Mahirap magtrabaho bilang libero kung yung kamay mo nasa tenga mo. Diba,
At nakapikit ha.
Nakapikit pa.
Oo, medyo mahirap nga. Kaya sabi nga ni Steve, very funny, diba? Pero siguro pag time out lang naman yun, parang pag
Hirap
dead
na,
ball
no?
situation. Kung naman,
Magre-receive
natural
ka,
naman, no?
magre-receive ka, nakapikit na si
Hindi,
kamay
di
mo
ba
na.
meron tawag dun eh, mga anak ko sabi nila, clear the mechanism.
Exactly,
Yung wala
that
ka
is very
talagang
true.
ano.
That is very true.
Kung
It's called-
nag-focus ka,
Oo,
wala
zoning
ka
out.
naririnig, wala ka
Zoning out yun.
nakikita, ganun yun.
Mela Tunay overcooks the serve. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, Ariel Patnongon ngayon to serve. Ateneo down by 4 dito po sa set number 1. Ang init dito sa San Juan Arena. Pinagmamayabang natin yung aircon dito dati.
Dahil sa dami ng tao. Pero
Yes.
ako gusto ko ng mainit at marami ang tao.
Mela Tunay. Nailusot doon kay Eliza. Alam mo si Eliza, one of the best floor defenders among the open spikers. But that time, naisan siya ni Mela medyo in off speed. 10-5. UST, by the way, folks, has won 4 straight games. They are the hottest team in the league ngayon.
Kaya nga kanina sa pre-game natin, di ba, they are getting better each as the tournament progresses, di ba? Kasi nakita natin paganda yung nilalaro nila, pa-improve yung kanilang offense at depensa.
Eliza Valdez has scored 0 points so far today. Timeout Ateneo.
Huwag tayo magmamadali. Ha? Skip naman tayo. First ball. Nag-atake naman tayo eh. Ha? Abutin mo kayo sa game. Tandaan niyo yung tatlo, ha? Pag pumalo, overit tayo agad. Ha? Baba. Ha?
Well, ito po, titignan po natin ngayon. Ang total attendance natin, hindi ako naniniwala ganyan kakonti lang yan. Iba pakiramdam, 3,621.
Parang madami sa ingay.
Oo. Sa ingay at saka, wala, hanggang taas na eh. So, I'm sure we will do a recount. Parang election lang, ano. We will
Hindi,
do a
ganito na
recount.
lang. Sige, tumayo ka doon, bilangin mo, balikan mo.
1, 2, sige ko muna. 3, serve ni Pam Lastimosa. Morado leaves it for Ahumiro. Turned back by the flying stick herself, Jessica Leon.
That was well read by the defense of the Lady Tigresses.
Di pala the flying stick ang tawag sa kanya fans. The pretty stick.
Oo naman.
Jessica Leon. And Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League.
Oh.
Proudly Philippine-made second or third service error already for UST as Lastimosa sends that one long.
Yan pa yung hindi pa nakaka-settle in eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Yung adrenaline rush and
Nasa airport
going
pa si
into
Pam.
that. Tsaka yung going into the game, tapos ganito kadaming tao.
Akala ko
ang
nasa airport
ingay.
pa yung kanyang spirit.
Yung
eh.
utak. Naiwan pa.
Morente. Dimac going over to Laure. Off the hands of Morado. She's done that twice already.
Right, and yun yung pinapoint out ko kanina na si Laure, hindi mo nararamdamang rookie.
Oo.
Kasi alam na alam ang gagawin sa mga, yung mga ganong sitwasyon.
13-6 right now. The pretty stick serving. As if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Naku, daming service error
Ang
ng
dami
UST.
lang, masyadong madami na pwede talagang freebies na binibigay sa Ateneo.
Ayun na si Oji
Oo,
Mamo.
dahil kung halimbawa mga tatlo yan, di ba?
Parang pang-apat na nga eh.
Binigay mo lang easily.
Wala, Kim Gakiliana. Filling in quite nicely in the absence of Ella De Jesus. Laure. Strong.
Not enough spin. Hindi flat yung pagkakapalo sa bola.
Back-to-back points yan para sa Ateneo. Largest lead for UST was at 7 points at 13-6. Gakiliana once again. Ayan naman, service error the way of
Alam mo,
Ateneo.
between the two of them, ang dami ng service errors.
And now Dimac going back. Ito si Dimac. Nanalo na ng best server dito
Oh,
yan.
yes, oo. Sa mga center na magagaling mag-serve, like si Ruby De Leon,
Right.
ito si Dimac, galing mag-serve.
Dimac with a good one.
Oh,
Sobrang ganda, walang second ball. And again, Ateneo playing without a libero, so everybody has to adjust.
alam ko, dati ganyan naman, dapat talaga lahat marunong mag-receive.
And now itong si Rede Maculangan trying to give UST their biggest lead in the first set. Morado. And the UST has their biggest lead of the first set, courtesy of mga kalahi ni Braveheart.
Oo.
Nalala mo yung pelikula yun?
Oo, yes. Mel Gibson.
Oo. And yun, they may take away our lives, but they will never take away our volleyball game.
Correct, kasi Laure once again getting that open hit. Ang ngayon, ang UST 8 attack points na after this beautiful hit. At ang Ateneo, 3 atake pa lamang so far. At may 3 ng blocks ng UST partner.
Well, Ateneo's only gotten 8 points so far, and the UST with their biggest lead of the match, 9 points. Dimac continues to serve well. Again, another ace for Dimac.
At ang UST, 2 service aces na. So far, ang Ateneo wala pa. Si Laure, 5 puntos na. Si Tunay, 2.
Ang malaking number dyan, Eliza Valdez, 0 pa rin. That's the big number right now for Ateneo. Dimac again. Morente. Morado. They go to Eliza. Finally!
At dito sa alam niya, nahuli siya dun eh. Sayang, pwede nga nagamit niya sana yung foot niya doon, but just not
Tumama muna sa foot,
Oo,
tumama sa hig.
Oo,
Sayang, ano?
hindi counted, kumbaga.
Aha.
So, Eliza getting her first point.
Ahumiro on the serve. Eliza exchanging a joke there with Meneses at the net. Laure. Ahumiro. Morado. Kabila. Eliza. Binuhay. No. 4 touches. Lifting violation. Double. Ang dami pwede itawag doon.
Basta may violation.
Yes.
And point goes to Ateneo.
Tinginan yung coaching staff ng UST. No?
Gusto ko si Morado dahil pagkatapos ni Eliza, nakuha niya na finally yung first point niya. Next play, sa kanya uli.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Meneses!
Middle hit from Meneses.
Back to another 9-point lead for UST.
Hindi ko to simple. Yung isa lamang kasi ang blocker na nasa harap ni Meneses that time. So easily with a little angle gets the point.
Laure just got that one through, but a great take there, or great reception from Morente. Combination now. Lastimosa, binuhay ni Valdez.
Ganda ng dig ni Valdez.
Open sa mga agad si Valdez.
Siya kaagad, grabe transition.
Tunay, third back, may patokon.
At nandun pa rin si Eliza dun sa block.
Right.
Grabe yung transition niya from defense to offense to defense once again.
Gising na si Eliza. Pero that time, Ariel Patlongon, dinasa haba ng galamay. Lead is down to 8 for UST. Hindi pwede mag-relax dito ang Tigresses, ha?
Wala, pareho sa kanila.
Oo.
Dapat nagre-relax. Kasi kundi, talagang yung the other team will take advantage.
Like that, Pamela Stimosa going through the blockers.
Another magnificent open hit. Magandang mga open hits na gagawa ng UST so far.
Well, now si Meneses will serve. Short ball. Morado. To Morente. Morente against the corner pocket.
That's a good spot. For Morente, yun ang isang pwede nilang puntahan.
Ako talaga wala. Napako sila rin doon. Valdez.
Oh, another long one.
Eliza is yet to convert a serve sa laban na ito. And here's the usual substitution. Coach Ojimamon, Claudia Cortez will come in along with Alex Cabanos. So yung mga youngsters na Cabanos, if I'm not mistaken, is a former juniors MVP.
Sa Isabel.
Ah.
Si Denden Lazaro.
Yeah, we'll show her yung paa niya mamaya.
Gusto niya ma-focus yung paa niya. Ngayon na, baka naman pwede.
Hindi pa nakikita yan. Tingnan mo.
Ayan.
Atras. Ayan. The super boot of Denden Lazaro. We'll see her back in 2 weeks if Ateneo makes it. May malaking if pa yan.
Alam mo naman ito si Denden, basta okay lang, konting pain, kaya niyang laruin yan.
Patlongon sits down. Giselle Tan, who played libero in their last game against Davao, will come in to serve. So this is an interesting decision para kay Parly Tupas not to employ a libero para sa kanilang laban. Another service error for Ateneo. And now Pamela Stimosa with UST enjoying a 9-point lead. Needs only 3 more points para makuha ng Grounding Tigresses or Golden Tigresses.
Golden, glowing goldie.
Oo. Nakalagay sa search nila kanina eh. Point for Ateneo.
Poor coverage though on the side of UST as Ateneo gets that through. Let's take a look at that once again. Simple combination play. Gikiliana getting the point.
22-14. Morente trying to keep Ateneo in this first set. Lastimosa, nag-alangan. Yan tuloy. It looked like it was going to go out initially. Biglang kumurba yung bola eh.
Bumaba. So, beach dig ang tawag doon. Sa ginawa ni Pam Lastimosa.
Kakagaling lang niya sa beach volleyball competition. But
correct.
it did not work. Morente. Serving again. Cabanos leaves it for De Leon off the hands of Mahomiro.
Simple push gives UST another point and they are just 2 points away.
Timeout Ateneo down by 8.
Jump. Kabayan mo siya, ha? Jump. Ha? Huwag ka masyadong umisik dito sa gilid, ha? Tapos, kunin mo, diagonal. Sarap ka. At hindi ka nag-block, kunin mo yung drop ball, ha? Saka pag pumalo, kukunin.
Take a look at that last play once again. And sometimes it's better to use your head than your power.
Yan ang ginagawa pag middle hitter. Pinapatama mo dun sa
Kapwa mo middle hitter.
Hindi, sa gilid. Sa gilid lang. Kasi normally yan single block lang talaga.
Well, now 23-15. And Jessie De Leon needs only 2 more points on her serve para makuha ng UST itong ating first set. Surprisingly easy fashion against the team they did not beat the whole season in the UAAP.
Ito na naman.
Natin, UST did not beat Ateneo the whole season sa UAAP and season 76.
Gikiliana now on the other side. At hindi tapos, syempre, may pag-asa pa.
That's right.
At kung meron man nakakabalik sa ganitong sitwasyon, at alam natin na ilang beses na nung ginawa na Ateneo yan.
Well, Ateneo now marches to 17 points and they were down 17-24 against NU. But ang luma na istoryang yun. 17-24 against NU na I believe 2010 or 2011. Eliza Valdez served through 9 straight points. But now it's Kinga Quiliana. Can she do the same?
Oh, but she sends it into the net, giving UST set point.
Pitong set point para sa UST. Claudia Cortez.
Si Cortez na usually overball lang to yung
Sure serve.
making sure, just sure serve. And yun nga nangyari.
Morado ngayon going to Eliza, tipping it over. Laure saves it. Eliza plays it again. Morado goes back to Eliza off the hands of Menezes.
So Ateneo still alive.
6 points down. Ito rin mapalitan ulit. Di makulangan returns. 2-9 returns. Cortez and Cabanos will sit. And on the other side, substitution. Is this allowed? Yes, it is. Patlongon returns to the front. Giselle Tan will sit down. Ateneo down by 6 set points. Ahumiro.
Namagtami si Amy. Pag nag-serve yan, may target.
Ay, oo. Tsaka talaga short serves.
Saka tinitignan niya yung target niya kung sino gusto niyang
Oo.
kung kanino niya gusto
That was a free ball action there. Morado going to Valdez. Cross court. Habulin ko dito sa run. Laura gives it up. Morado leaves it for Patlongon.
And Patlongon gets it through off the block hit for Ateneo.
This is the closest Ateneo has been. And this is a great timeout by Oji Mamon. Kailangan lang nila ng 1 puntos.
Okay, ang dalan sa inyo, Rhea, pumasok na kayo. Malapitin mo lang. Paatrasin mo na lang. Lapit ka sa net, atras na lang pag-receive. Butol, ikaw na. Mayor ka sa receive. Paano mo naman lang? Tama na. Abot ko tatlo.
That is a 4-0 run. 4-0, 3-0 run for Ateneo here. Yan yung tribong Katipunera. Diyan na sila. Ahumiro. Once again trying to go for one of those surprise dropping serves.
Yep. Tingnan mo, tinitignan niya kung meron talaga siyang target. But this time, alam mo, dun sa pag-push pa lang, alam mo nang mahina sa pagmalo ng bola.
And a service error for Ahumiro will give UST officially the first set, 25-19. UST was up by as much as 9 points in this set. But Ateneo tried to claw their way back. Hindi po umubra. Maganda yung naipok na puntos doon ng UST to get set number 1 and our shaky play. Quick set, Jessie De Leon using her coconut against Amy Ahumiro.
Alam mo, ang service faults nila, ang Ateneo, 6. Ang UST, 5.
Grabe.
Ang dami lang.
Well, right now, Maraguinot is in the game for the first time. Joanna Maraguinot, as Valdez is turned back there by Meneses. One more time around for Eliza. Lusot kay Meneses this time.
And it's good on the second try for Eliza Valdez.
Well, Mitch Morente is trying to do her best Princess Oliveros rendition. But that was Eliza Valdez just going through the defense.
Well, so far, Morente, 3 points. Valdez din, ganun din.
This is actually the first score for Ateneo. If it's Fun Family Pizza, Charabi Shakey's first lead of the game actually for Ateneo. 2-0 right now as Tunay misses.
Laure naman, 5 puntos na. Meneses with 3.
Ahumiro ngayon. Serving for Ateneo. The vastly improved. Ano to? After niya magka-ACL injury, mukhang nag-insert ng bionic chip sa kanyang tuhod. At bigla na lang gumaling ng todo-todo ito si Amy. Combination play for Eliza. Dimac sending it over to EJ. On her knees, Valdez cannot get it through. And that's about the 4th time Valdez has hit it to the net sa laban na ito.
Well, pa kasi si Eliza, halos nakaluhod pa siya doon, diba? Tapos hindi siya naka-atras para doon sa atake. So, medyo mahirap nga naman talaga.
Superwoman naman si Eliza.
Well, totoo rin naman yan.
EJ on the serve. Sharp serve from EJ Laure.
And again, alam mo, normally ginagawa yan ng much older players, yung cross-court na yan. Na hindi mo malaman kung papasok sa linya o hindi.
Tanong ko nga kay Eddie Laure, kung patingin ang birth certificate nitong batang to, imposible magse-17 pa lang siya sa July. Kaya nasobran. Kinabahan nung hinahanap ko na yung birth certificate. 3-2, Ateneo. Gia Morado now to put it in play. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's, really proudly Philippine-made.
Ayan, ganun din ang ginawa ni Morado. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ako naniniwala mga rookies to.
Oo. Here is Eliza on the push. D-Mac leaves it for Meneses, and Eliza Valdez says hello to Ria Meneses.
Eto na. This time, si Meneses naman ang nakatanggap ng sarado.
Check that, si Patlongon pala yun.
Saradong pintuan eh.
Oo, naipit pa. 4-2 Ateneo. Here's Lastimosa. Dug up there by Maraguinon. Oh, what a defensive gem there coming from Gia Morado.
What a smart move.
And that was off the hands of Morente.
Yes, it's Gia Morado. Alam mo, yan ang pinapagawa ng mga coaches pag mas maliit na blocker. Pag maliit na blocker, inintay mo sa baba yung bola. Ganun
Nakiti
talaga
pa
yun.
siya nung nagawa niya 4-3. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Ria Meneses. Short serve. Aumiro had to roll for that one. Lastimosa. Aumiro sending it now to Eliza. Turned back by De Leon. Binuhay pa rin ni Eliza.
At si Mela tunay na, nag-set dito sa USC dahil si Ray ang nakakuha ng first vault eh.
Maraguino could not contain the Lastimosa shot.
Lastimosa, this time mas mahaba na yung palo niya. Nasasagot kasi yung mga open hits niya.
Ngayon, tied at 4. Trabaho naman ng utility spiker talaga mag-set pag nakuha.
Yes,
pag wala sa eksena yung setter.
Kaya kailangan yung utility, magaling din mag-set. Auxiliary setter mo yan eh.
Pero magaling din mag-block, so parang middle hitter din. Ang daming requirement.
Mas mahirap, oo. Tapos kailangan magaling ka pumalo. Dahil ikaw yung open hitter on the other side on the weak side.
Eliza dinaan sa lakas.
At yun ay marami siya.
Yes. Against the pretty stick. Walang magawa si Jessie De Leon dito. Yung una na, deny pa siya eh. At na yung upuan. Eliza serving. D-Mac. Lastimosa across. Maraguinon.
Read well.
Morente.
But a net violation, I think, again.
Pam Lastimosa matatawagan doon.
Point goes to Ateneo.
6-4, Lady Eagles. Eliza Valdez from San Juan, Batangas. D-Mac. De Leon, denied again by Patlongon. Patlongon has been a pressure to the net.
At si Patlongon, nakakarami na dito.
And look at this, a setting change now for UST. Oji Mamon wants to try something new just to mix it up. Lauren Lantin.
Well, gusto mo lang na ipag-discarte kasi huling-huli na sa block. Yung mga palo.
Eliza has yet to convert a serve. Seven-5 Ateneo. So magsiserve ngayon, Mela Tunay. And the meeting between the two referees nangyayari dito. Liberato Benito, our second referee, and Adrian Tabanyag, our first referee. And it looks like Liberato Benito will approach the bench of Ateneo.
Pwede, ayaw kumayag ng first referee. Dapat nakaupo eh. Kasi may dapat nakaupo.
Okay.
Umupo.
Si Denden.
Si Denden, bakit kailangan umupo ni Denden?
siguro,
Sobrang dami tao sa
injured,
koral.
injured player. So, hindi siya dapat nasa warm-up pa.
Ito, nasa likod ng cameraman natin ngayon si Denden. And Denden nasa
Hindi,
green.
halika dito, Dende. Dito ka na lang sa tabi namin.
Dito, tawagin mo nga si Denden. Dito mo lang paupuin. At sa likod ng cameraman natin, nasaan si Denden? Pakita natin mamaya. Denden, sabay na hiya. Nung kinuna ng camera, Denden is here to support even if she cannot play. Maraginot. And that one is in.
Another block point for UST.
7-6. Ateneo's lead is down to 1. Carmela Tunay. Looking at Eliza, and Eliza is able to field it. Lantin sending it down the middle, and that is going to be in for Lastimosa.
Lastimosa on the middle hit.
Ganda rin ang bigay dito ni Lantin.
Tignan nga natin.
Ito magkakilala.
Kasi kino-contest ni Coach Farley Sabi niya, out
Looks out here, yeah.
Well, yung line judge natin, nandun naman siya sa kabila. So, baka kasi portion ng bola doon sa kabila tumama.
Maraginot almost scores. Here's Lastimosa. Morado pushes it. Lantin sending it to Lastimosa. Good blocker by Patlongon. Maraginot. They send it to Morente.
And Morente once again, that sharp cross court.
Sa coach's decision talaga. Pagdating sa mga personnel changes. 8-all. Lastimosa. Morado, combination. Maraginot. And good defense again, this time by Lauren Lantin.
Medyo malapit na sa net yun, and there were 2 blockers already in front of Maraginot. And medyo mahirap yun. As we take a look at it once again. Ayan nandiyan na yung blockers.
And again, Lauren Lantin is the most underrated blocker among all the setters dito. Mahaba, magandang timing. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's Really, proudly Philippine-made. And that is a lucky serve for Pam Lastimosa.
That's right. Lucky, very lucky.
UST now has a 2-point lead. And Vitas is the official ball of the Shakey's Really.
Pero pag naulit na yan, ibig sabihin, pinapractice yun.
Alam mo, minsan may mga serve na ganun talaga.
Close to the net, yung very sharp.
And Gusaran cannot save that one from Morente.
Speaking of Morente, in the second set, 2 attack points na siya. Lastimosa having 3, pero si Morente 2 of 2, kaya 100%. Patnong on 3 blocks already against Meneses na 2 blocks. Natatong dalawang to.
Ayan, dalawang 6-footer, naglaban. Here's Lantin, sending it to De Leon. Quick set, Ahumiro, nakalimutan nilang kaliwete si Amy.
That's right, and Amy, quick to the quick set. Kaya naman pakit pa lang ang blockers. Wala, pakit pa lang
Pakaliwa lahat ng blockers. Kaliwete yung binigyan. Tayo na 10. Morente once again, ang daming positive na nangyayari pag nagsiserve ito si Mitch Morente. Lantin leaves it for Lastimosa out of position. Morado, quick set to Ahumiro.
Again, so back-to-back points ang naibigay nito si Amy.
That's 3 straight points now for Ateneo. Take a look at it again. Amy Ahumiro, simple.
Ay, nakon. Isa pa yan dun sa mga players na simpleng magkumilos, pero yung efficiency, very high.
Lastimosa. Laure was being quiet here in the second set. Maraginot.
Yes! Down the line hit. Maraginot gets it.
4 straight points now for Ateneo. Morente continues to serve well. Talagang inuubos ni Morente yung 5 seconds lang kakadribble. And that one works again. Laure. Quick set, Ahumiro on the push this time. Gusaran is there. Lantin sending it over to Laure. Yes.
That went through the blockers of Ateneo. Sa matchup kasi doon sa rotation, si Morado at si Amy ang natatapat dito kay Laure. Kaya pinadadaan ni Laure dun kay Morado.
Well, it is now 12-11. Eddie Laure.
Proud parents.
Proud parents. Pero, dead pa rin. Yan pa rin makita manalo UST, of course. Saan ba nag-basketball si Eddie Laure? Adamson, di ba?
Oo.
Adamson naglaro si Eddie Laure. Siguro tinatanong siya ng Adamson, ba't di mo dito dinala yan? Meneses. And Morado gets it across. Lantin leaves it for Meneses again.
And Meneses with a bit of a swipe.
Again, you can't inch height naman si Meneses. Mga 6'1". Still learning how to be effective there, but galing mag-block. If it's Fun Family Feast, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tied at 12. If I'm not mistaken, Meneses is the #1 blocker in the league.
No.
De Leon? Labas.
Oh, too much angle. At kanina pa itong si De Leon, kung hindi long, wide naman this time.
Well, at least yung mga service errors na minimize na dito sa second set by both teams.
Kanina, napakadami.
Maraguinot serving.
Oh, nice sharp serve.
Lantin, across, Laure. Maraguinot keeps it alive. Long enough for Morado to get there. Alaysa, bumuelo!
At ang buwelo ay paulit-ulit na nagiging puntos para sa Lady Eagles. Tignan mo yung buwelo na talagang approach niya. Alam mong may power.
And Morado, alam ni Morado kung saan gusto pa ni Alaysa yung bola.
Ay, yan naman ang dapat talaga niyang malaman.
Oo. So even no matter how bad the first ball is, may babato niya na maganda kay Alaysa. At Laura scores again.
Laura with a cross-court hit. Too much for Ariel Patnongon.
14-13. Ateneos lead down to 1. Lauren Lantin. Hard to believe na mag-50 year na pala si Lauren Lantin, ano?
Oo, parang kailan lang.
Exactly. Back set, Tunay. Off the hands of Alaysa Valdez.
And Tunay, off the block point.
Talagang dinaan niya ito. Buti pang tama sa mukha si Alaysa, actually. 14 all. Lantin,
That's
let's
going to be a long one. Kakasabi mo lang, yung service error na minimum.
Actually, nabawasan naman
mahabol.
Low averages ba yan? Amy Ahumiro trying to protect a 1-point lead para sa Ateneo. Good serve. Tunay. Good attack.
Tunay this time on the other side naman.
And Tunay gives a score, gives us a tight score. As the 16-year-old DJ Laure will now put it in play.
Oh,
Sharp
ganda.
serve. Grabe. Here's Alaysa again. Nakapuwede na naman. Doon sa landing it up. Lantin, Lastimosa off the block. Kept alive by Morente. Alaysa.
Oh, not enough spin. Trying to...
Oh,
yes,
check
there's
ball.
a check. Wala namang reklamo dun sa kabila. Mukhang check ball nga.
16. Hindi pa ako makapot yung pizza dun eh. Pero budget lunch nakadali tayo.
Dalim pa.
It's a good serve. Coming from Gia.
Very good. Ayun yung ginagawa nila ni EJ kanina pa silang dalawa. Yes, I'd say napakahirap niyan serve din. Yung cross court. Tapos yung dulo sa linya. Ngayon si Gia getting an ace.
Let's see if she'll do it again. This time she goes long into the face of EJ. And there's a dump ball coming from Mitch Morente.
Well, now, Ateneo 11 attack points against USD's 8 at meron na silang dalawang block points against USD's 1.
Tignan po ulit natin to, no? Before OG Mamon's timeout, over reception on that Gia Morado serve. Timeout USD.
Huwag yung buhayin na crowd. Kaya maglaro kayo sa loob. I told you, no, expectation, pero you're not saying your usual. Masaya kayo. Bakit? Pag hindi kayo masaya, napapainit kayo. Why? Okay? Kahit na sinabing gano'n sila sa airport. Do your usual.
Alam mo, mo, minsan di ko alam kung kailan seryoso ito si Coach Oji. Diba, minsan tumatawa habang nagta-timeout, minsan nagagalit, sabay tatawa pag nakatalikod. Look at the rapid fans here, Ateneo. Ikaw kilala mo si Coach Oji Mamon eh. Kailan siya seryoso, kailan siya hindi ko ma-predict eh.
Well, hindi kasi siguro, sanay kasi siyang lalaki ang kino-coachan niya, si Coach Oji for the longest time. So, sa babae, iniba niya yung approach niya.
Okay.
Parang gusto niya magalit, pero binipigilan niya.
Dump ball number 2, this time coming from Eliza Valdez. Again, the reception problem for UST, giving Ateneo many free points. And it is starring Gia Morado.
At yung masakit sa mga ganyan, yung momentum. Kasi parang dahil dun sa mga easy points na nakuha natin yung momentum talagang nasa kanila.
Lantin finally gets a good ball to work with and Tunay goes off Valdez.
Well, so far, it's Morado with 11 excellent sets. Limakulangan with 5.
Again, the reception problem of UST ngayon. Sila naghahabol. Ria Meneses. Ahumiro. Morado. Back set. Eliza.
Hinasa pa.
At ginamit masasaktan yung kamay ni Pam Lastimosa maya-maya dyan eh. You know who's serving.
Yup.
Finally a good serve from Eliza. Tunay. Lusot.
Lumusot na naman, kaya yung hirap kasi pag yung ganun, yung malakas yung bounce. Ang hirap para dun sa
Pinabaga na ni Eliza eh.
coverage. Look at this one.
Eliza was trying to cover pero yun na layo na pinuntahan niya. 2017. Mela Tunay. Ahumiro. Morado. Maraginot off the net. Lastimosa fields it. Lantin sending it over to Pam. Joust time. Morente. Valdez. Patlumos.
What a save!
Lantin. Oh! Pam Lastimosa fields it.
From the middle, differential hit by Pam Lastimosa. Hindi natin madalas nakikita yan. Pero look at this. Beautiful play.
Kita mo naman si Pam really milking the differential play dry at talagang wala mapuntahan yung depensa natin na doon. But it is still the Lady Eagles up by 2. Valdez. Morente. And that was going in. Maragino tried to play it.
That's right. Maragino trying to save that one.
Time out para dito sa Ateneo. All of a sudden, bumabay kanilang kalamangan to 1 point.
Iban muna natin para makalating kay Dia. Pag maganda ang isip mo yung Tres. Ha? Yo, ito ka rito ha?
Bakit tayo?
Ha?
Isip tayo.
Isip muna tayo ha? Guys.
Naman dinadaanan ni Eliza sa lambing. Isip tayo ng konti, guys.
Look at this last play. 20.
Papasok yun eh. I mean,
Yes.
Maragino knew it was going to happen. Late lang na reaction niya.
Saka mahirap talaga yung one hand.
Oh. So now Tunay trying to tie things up. 3 straight points on her serve. Tunay puts it in. Morado. Morente off the net. Gusaran. Sa kabila naman, Lastimosa. Morado. Maraginot. Eliza on the push. Lantin, quick set de Leon. Nakabang ang defensa pero hindi may pasok ni Morente.
At yun off the block hit. Halos, that was very close. Napantayan na nila yung play sana ng UST. Pero lumabas ang bola off the block.
Tied at 20. 4 straight points now for UST. Consistent serving from Mela Tunay. Ahumiro. Morado. Maraginot. Ang ganda ng buelo rin.
Correct. And that was just a underhand set coming from Morado.
Change in the back. Giselle Tan will replace Ariel Patongon. both to serve and for defensive purposes. Although Arel Patongon, one of the highest percentage pagdating sa service. Iba pa rin talaga yung
Kasi
extra
simple
defender.
lang, simple lang yung servisya ni Patnongon.
Usaran is there. Lastimosa turned back by Ahumiro. They go to Pam once again!
She creates an angle on the second try.
Pam Lastimosa ties us up at 21. Natin dito. This was the second attempt already. Grabe, talim na cross-court na yun.
At saka yung, you like the adjustment, di ba? Na-blanka siya nung una. Yung pangalawa, nilagyan na ng angulo.
Lastimosa now in the back, though, with the serve. Eliza, single block by Jessie De Leon.
Oh, that was well read by De Leon.
UST has grabbed the lead. 22-21. And now, Lastimosa serving again. Not a good reception from Valdez. Free ball. Tunay. Lantin. Combination. Laure. Lusot sa blanca ni Morente.
Correct. And getting that again off the block point. Kanina pa rin ginagawa ng parehong kuponan niya.
Well, timeout Ateneo.
Kumilig! Okay. Harap ka pa, di ba? Hindi ka dun sa tulog. I-quick ka na lang, i-quick. Ha? Yara! Okay pa. Go, go, go!
A lot of adjustments being done here by Ateneo, but first they have to figure out how to stop itong si mga open hitters sa UST.
Right, ngayon nga hindi nga masyado naging maingay si Laure, pero ito, napaka-importante puntos na galing sa kanya.
23-21. Pam Lastimosa trying to serve it out. Good one from Pam. Off the net, cannot be played by Morado. 3-set point for UST. UST has not lost a match since they opened 4 straight for the Tigresses. Kaya pa nila kumuha ng 2-0 lead kontra sa Ateneo in this match. Morente. Morado. Maraguinot. Yes.
Oh, and she gets it through. Ito si Maraguinot, napakatapang rin na bata. Ha?
Okay na nga.
Diba?
Natatanga tayo why she has not made the team yet. But probably that will, probably that will all change this year.
Mukha naman dahil napakaganda na nilalaro.
Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Morente trying to keep Ateneo in this first set, or this second set. Good dig from Morente. Maraguinot again, this time blocked by Lantin.
Solid block. So yung ang naging very effective for UST yung blocking nila in the second set.
UST has now taken a 2-0 lead against a team they have not beaten all season long in the UAAP. Let's take a look at the shaky shake and play. Great defense. The length of the backup setter hits that one. So unang puntos mapupunta sa Ateneo dito sa ating third set. UST 2-0 lead. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Bad serve by Joanna Maraguinot. Tied at 1. Kaya di Makulangan will start the third set. Di Makulangan pinalitan kanina ni Lantin. And ironically, it was Lantin who had that key block.
Hinalo-halo nga ni Coach OG eh. Di ba si Ana Cabañas, pinasok niya rin kanina ng first set.
Good defense again by UST.
Yun na naman yung blocking talaga ng UST. Very present today. Diba?
Take a look at that one again. Ganda na suporta doon ni Ria Menezes. So D-Mac serving. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Overcooked the reception again.
Laure with a swipe.
3-1 UST. Adjustments on the floor now for Ateneo. D-Mac really taking her time. Good serve!
And that got the line. The space for Rene Makulangan.
4-1 UST, third set.
So, agad-agad naman natin yun, nag-adjust dun sa position nila. Kailangan talaga nila adjustan mahaba at bandang dulo na eh.
This time a shorter serve coming from D-Mac. Ahumiro on the push. Meneses!
Oh, scratching it back.
Meneses has scored 3 of the 5 points of UST. An early timeout by Ateneo. As Farley Pupa stops, then Lazarus giving instructions to the rest of the team on how to execute the coverage dito. Nakikita natin dito sa Ahumiro. Jump there, walang tao sa likod. Maragilod, yun ang sinasabihan kanina ng Denden eh.
Nandun na yung reaction lang kasi nagulat dun sa pagbalik ni Ria.
Oo. And again, not everybody can be as good as Denden Lazaro pagdating sa coverage. So, Ateneo really has to adjust. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's Wheelie, proudly Philippine made. And this will be a free ball. Dusaran, Meneses goes back to UST. Tunay setting it to Laure, and Laure drops it in front of Eliza.
And that was the power tip. Ateneo getting ready for a powerful hit from Laure. Ito nga, again, bata ba to?
Parang hindi siya 16 years old eh.
Nagawa ba ng bata yan?
Parang hindi 16 years old. The last time we saw a 16-year-old do that was actually, I believe, Eliza Valdez.
Oh, tama. Kaya nga marami talagang kumukumpira na sa susunod na ito yung sumusunod sa yapak ni Eliza.
Morado, heroic save there. Eliza with another free ball. Ateneo cannot execute their offense. UST, puro offensa.
Oh, but...
Nag-hit yan din according to Adrian Tabanyag.
So another point from UST.
And again, it's the 16-year-old DJ Laure delivering.
Not enough.
Point, tumama.
Oh, not enough ang isang blocker para kay EJ.
Rhea Di Makulangan, still consistent. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Morado, Ahumiro. That was too low.
Yeah, that was too low for Amy.
Another one coming from Melatunay this time.
You can really see yung kumpiyansa ng UST. Iba na eh.
Their poor reception in digs. Pero medyo narattle sila with the UST's consecutive points, giving UST the second set, guys.
Well, now UST's consecutive points to open the third. Ria Meneses.
Pantay na pantay ng UST. Yung palo na yun ni Eliza.
Guys, 9 straight points na ito para sa UST. Ateneo opened with a 1-0 lead here in the third set. They have not scored since.
Well, so far, it's De Leon and Meneses with 8 block points. Ang Ateneo, 3 ang total as a team.
Hindi pa nga lumilipat si De Leon sa harapan. Morado tries to drop it. Dusaran is there. They go to Laure. And Laure scores again!
And Laure goes down the line. Scoring another one for UST.
Looks like there will be a substitution here for Ateneo.
Ateneo, 3 service points na. UST, 6 service points. Ang Ateneo with 8 receptions and UST 3.
This match is the biggest lead of the match for UST. They also had a 9-point lead in the first set. Morado, Ahumiro, andun si Lastimosa. Backset ngayon, Tunay. Kept alive by Morente. And another free ball from Ateneo. Combination, Tunay. Morado versus Meneses. Not a good idea.
Long rally.
Eliza Valdez.
Oh, and finally Eliza Valdez. exclamation point.
Sa loob-loob ni Eliza, if UST can score 9 in a row, so can we.
Yung importante doon, they put a stop,
Right.
diba, to the run of UST.
Combination, Tunay. Bumalik sa UST. Back set ngayon, over to Laure. Finds the corner.
And with a missed hit, pumasok pa rin sa haba, diba? Doon kasi cross-court eh. So, kahit na medyo looper yung nangyari, pumasok pa din.
Laure has been possessed by the volleyball gods. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's League, proudly Philippine made, and the volleyball gods have taken a break.
Ikaw kasi, pati yung volleyball gods, inuusok mo.
Pahinga daw mo sila.
Pati sila, kinaya mo,
Pagbalik
Noel.
nila. Kuwasa na yung Laure. 11-3. Morado.
Oh, nice! Beautiful serve from
Gia Morado
Morado.
has been very, very effective sa kanyang serve.
Yun yung cross-court nga na yan.
Oh.
Kanina pa natin napapansin.
Gia Morado, alam niyang hindi pa tapos ito. There it is again.
Doon na naman.
And Eliza tries to dump it in. Lastimosa!
Oh, and the cross-court work again for Pam Lastimosa.
Alam mo kung pizza itong side ng court natin triangular na yung cuts natin. Diba? Shakey's pizza na triangular cuts sa maliliit,
Itong parang, hindi na pa hinahanap yung mga na yan, triangle na favorite mo.
Morado. Valdez. Saved by D-Mac. De Leon gets it across. Morente!
Oh! Para bomba. Ang lakas. Morente getting that down the line point.
Hindi man lang sinubukan ni Patlongo ni Benta yung combination play. Alam niyo naman na UST doon pupunta eh.
Wala pa makakabilin. Napakahirap.
Valdez on the serve. Good one. Lastimosa. Blocked by Patlongon. De Leon. Maraginot. Turned back by De Leon again.
Just in time si De Leon. Halos hinabol lang yung block na yun. But tamang just enough timing to get to that Maraginot. Yes, look at this once again.
Tinelegan ni Maraginot kung saan siya pupunta eh. 13-5. UST will be happy to trade points with Ateneo at this point. Tunay. Sharp serve. Morado. Maraginot. Has a check ball.
Yes, that's right.
Off of
Right
Rhea.
ball.
So 13-6 UST. Ariel Patlongo now serving. If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Lastimosa. De Leon turned back by Ahomiro.
Good block from Ateneo.
Lastimosa. Bubuhayin. And it's set across by Morente. Lastimosa drops it in.
And that was just a smart move from Lastimosa. Hindi na pinahirapan ang sarili. Nakita niya napakalaki ng espasyo dun sa kanya, sa right side niya. So,
This is where you miss them in Lazaro.
na mabilis na makakapunta dyan.
Lastimosa serving. UST up by 8 and also up 2 sets to nothing. Morente. Yes. May net violation pa kontra kay Laure.
And Morente, again yung cross-court hit niya, ang nahihirapan ng UST. Sagutin niya cross-court hit ni Morente. Kanina pa yan.
But that's still the 7-point barrier na UST. Morente. Served through, I believe, 9 points against Davao. Let's see if she can do it again. Laure off the block. Kept alive by Valdez. Cannot be kept alive by Morado.
Well, from Eliza pa lang, sinisave lang yung bola eh. Since she wasn't in the best position.
Menes is back in front. De Leon will serve. De Leon, hinahanap ko na saan si Maraguinot. It appears that's what she's looking at. I sent it to Morente, though. Maraguinot. Turned back again, pero this time lalabas.
That's right. UST wasn't able to close that out, so close it in.
But again, the presence of Rhea Meneses at the net. Intimidating, imposing. Maraguinot into the net. Ang kupunan ng UST. Hindi talaga ma-penetrate ng Ateneo. As of now.
Kung gusto natin na umabol, ito na yung perfect moment. Huwag mo nang paalagwahin pa yung UST, pero Meneses once again with a block.
Now a 9-point lead for UST. There is Dimac once again. UST winners of 4 straight matches, 90 sets.
Dito sila nahirapan kanina yung serve.
Well, Eliza is able to get that off the block.
Tama. Yun naman ang maganda sa atin na yun. Ipigilan mo na yung si Rhea na nagsiserve.
Right.
Diba? So, they get that by that open hit of Eliza Valdez.
Now Amy Ahumiro. Tunay, bad reception. Morente again trying to pump everyone up. Down to 7. Ahumiro again.
Amy Ahumiro, let's see sino ang target niya ngayon.
Mela pa rin! Oh, si Mamo now on his feet, screaming at Mela Tunay.
Right, Ateneo, 5 attack points sa USC, doble, 10 na partner. So, ito na talaga yung
this is the last stand for Ateneo. This is it. This is their last stand to try to force this to a 4th set. Ahumiro. Again, this time Lastimosa gets to her, and Meneses scores!
Meneses on a quick hit. So, from defense to offense, Meneses, working today.
7-point lead anew for USC. Ateneo trimmed it down to 6 earlier. EJ Laure again. Morado. Patnongon. Lastimosa. Cross-court again!
Alam mo, kanina pa hindi masagot ng Ateneo yung mga cross-courts na binibigay ni Mela Tunay, ni Lastimosa, ni EJ Laure.
This will be the last time out of Farley Tupas in this set.
Ang malo naman ng Lauri. Kaya ano na. Ang ganda naman yung block mo eh. Ha? Ha? Sa kabila?
What is going on now with Ateneo? Well, again, ang hirap sabihin kasi wala si Daniel Lazaro kaya natatalo sila. They've actually done very well in floor defense pero hindi nila mapigilan yung mga atake sa net naman itong UST now.
Yung cross-court hit na yan, kanina pa yan nangyayari para sa UST at hindi nga nasasagot. Wala pang remedyo hanggang ngayon Ateneo.
Morado out overreaching against Meneses. And Onsi Mamon stands up. Okay, Onsi Mamon gives it up na. Hindi na siya maka-argue.
Oo, wala na, natawag na.
Down to 7. Morado. Lusaran. Lastimosa drops it. Drop shot the other way coming from Morente.
Si Morente, nakaka-10 puntos na itong sa larong ito.
Ilan si Eliza? Yun ang tanong.
Si Eliza Valdez, 11.
That's not usual numbers for Eliza Valdez. But she plays the whole game.
That's right, Patnongan with 4. Si Ahumiro din with 5.
Morado. Lead down to 6. Lusaran overcooks this one. The lead down to 5. Oh, teka muna. Tawag ni Adrian Tabanyag.
And
awarding the point to UST.
Barney. Look at Coach Barney. Let's take a look at it once again.
Yep. It is, if it's a net violation called against Eliza, that is correct.
Oh, and a warning.
On Parley Tupas. Yellow card on Parley Tupas. The violation is called a net violation against Eliza Valdez. Ateneo has to regain their focus.
I think partner parang overreaching ang tinatawag eh. Kaya,
Manipis yun, overreaching. Net violation would have been, based on the replay, net violation would have been correct. Bad reception from Ahomiro. USD is now taking this and trying to run away with this.
dapat hindi ba, nandiyan na yan eh, diba, tinawag na. So, yung girls, yung Ateneo, sanay naman sila sa, diba, lakas ng loob.
That serve goes out, however, from Meneses. Ateneo now down by 7. USD just needs 4 more points. De Leon. Morado. Maraguinot. No! Coverage again!
Poor coverage. Kanina pa rin nangyayari. Yung pagka-block ng USD, walang coverage.
Substitution here. Our first look now at Jen Gutierrez. Seeing her first action. Maraguinot will sit. Kekiliana will return. Double sub here for USD. Rhea steps out. Melatuna steps out. So Alex Cabanos and eto si Jen Gutierrez will come in.
Si Coach Parley, talaga hindi siya mapakali.
That was a turning point.
Yes.
Was a turning point.
Kasi sabi niya, syempre pag nag-block ka, dinidiin mo eh, di
Oh,
ba?
pero tumama talaga yung kamay ni Eliza sa net. Eliza gives it up again. Cabanos. Lastimosa!
She's on top of that ball. Ang ganda ng timing, ang ganda ng palo.
23-14. 2 puntos na lang po kailangan ng USD to extend their winning streak to 5. And Ateneo will be in very, very deep trouble to try to make it to the semis. That serve goes long from Cabanos.
May chance pa dito ang Ateneo.
But no
Kailangan
on the
lang isa
serve.
eh, di ba? 1 point at a time. Huwag nila masyadong isipin.
But they're out of timeouts as well, huh?
Huwag nila isipin yung lamang ng USD.
But no one with the serve. De Leon will miss.
And De Leon
Pasok
is
pala.
gets the point.
And now 9 match points for USD. The captain serving. Morado on the back set. Morente off the block of Laure.
Morente, hindi pa nawawalan ng pag-asa. Ito si Morente, ibang klase rin itong player kahit medyo bata pa siya.
Right.
Never say die attitude and she's now on the line.
Susaran. Lastimosa. Laure. And denied away.
That's a net block.
To 24-17. Morente to serve again. Ateneo trying their best to pull out the improbable here. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol. Proud partner of the Shakey's Wheelie. Proudly Philippine made. Lastimosa. Cabanos. Combination. Laure. Turned back by Ahomiro. Cabanos. Sa kabila naman. Gutierrez.
Mapapansin mo, USC panay cross-court hit ang
Right.
ginagawa.
There's Morado now. Kekiliana once again off the block, and that will score for Ateneo.
That's right. Gikiliana hanging tough yung series na play na yun, and she gets the point finally.
Jimamon will call a momentum-breaking timeout.
Malayo naman sa atin. Magaling sa sport.
Assistant coach Yanni Fernandez pointing out that it's a 4-0 lead na, a 4-0 run for Ateneo. Hindi naman 4 yata, Yanni. 4 ba? Parang 3.
Oo, kasi hindi,
Right.
kasi nagsimula sa
Side
nakascore
out.
ang UST.
Okay. Morente. Sure serve this time. Cabanos, combination. Gutierrez. Alaysa tracks it down. Gekiliana will give up the free ball. To Saran. Cabanos. Too near. Set up by Morado. They go the other way. Kim Gekiliana. Blocked there by De Leon. They go to Gekiliana again.
And Gekiliana with a kill.
Jimamon is furious.
Hindi kasi, hindi stabilize yung setting, yung depensa ng UST. Katulad doon, very open yung spot na yun. Na pinuntahan ni Gekiliana.
Yeah, but it's down to 5 set points. Morente. Susaran. Kabila. Laure. Binuha ni Alaysa. Morente gets to it. Alaysa will give up a free ball. Cabanos, combination, Laure, yes! And UST has given Ateneo its first losing streak of the year.
Woo! What a game, partner.
Alaysa Valdez immediately approaching Adrian Cabanyaga about that controversial call. But to no avail, UST has won 5 straight since opening with a loss against NU. And Ateneo is now in deep trouble of missing the semifinals. Tingnan po natin yung ating shaky play. EJ Laure putting the finishing touches on a convincing win by UST.